I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to test the 4G plus aggregation test in this iQOO3 smartphone, as you can see, friends. So let's see whether I will be able to get the 4G plus aggregation inside my studio room or not. So that is what I'm going to check using the Jio SIM card, as you can see, friends. So later on I'll try to do the plenty of speed test comparison with other smartphones as well, iQOO7 and iQOO Z3 and other devices. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So it's the Jio SIM card which I'm trying to use in this SIM card. Let's see, friends, whether the phone will be able to get the Jio 4G plus or not, 4G plus aggregation. And I'll try to show you even the speed test, and I'll try to even show you the download test as well. So this is going to be all in one video. So let's see, friends, whether the first thing I'll try to show you exactly by switching on the mobile data, and is a 4G plus, as you can see, friends. That's perfect. So I'm getting the 4G plus aggregation. You can clearly see on the notification panel. That's fantastic, friends. This iQOO3 device, even though the phone has got launched last year, but still I was able to get the 4G plus aggregation inside my studio room. That's fantastic, friends, as you can see. That's really great. So let me try to first check the NetMonster application using what type of band I'm getting inside my studio. That is another thing which I thought of doing. So right now I'm getting not one but two bands. That's really great, friends, as you can see. So when compared with the iQOO7 smartphone, this phone has got really great bands. So as you can see, 1800 plus 850. So two bands I'm getting right now. That's fantastic, and I'll try to do the comparison as soon as possible with the iQOO7 device in terms of the speed test and the download test. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. And it's a 2CA, so 10 plus 5. Again, as you can clearly see, friends, let me to open the speed test application. And these are the applications which I'm trying to install just now because this is my new phone. So let me to quickly show you. So now let's see, friends, what will be the download speed test. What will be the speed test results in this iQOO3 device, which is an indoor condition. That is what I'm going to do right now, testing. So in the indoor condition, using the 4G plus Jio SIM, as you can see, I'm getting on the top 4G plus as well. So where the speeds are kind of close to 10 Mbps. So now I'm getting up to close to 9 Mbps as well, as you can see, 9 Mbps. Not bad, 9. As you can see, friends, clearly. So 9.15, not bad. And upload speeds are 0.30, 0.37, as you can see, friends, clearly. So let me do the speed test one more time, and then I'll try to do the download test. So later on, in case if you are interested, I'll try to do the another SIM card test as well in this phone, testing with other smartphone, other SIM cards, maybe Airtel or V SIM card. So those kind of SIMs. Let me try to change the server to the Jio. So I'm not sure. Let me try to change the server to Jio. Just now I got 3 bands. So I did get the 3 bands in this iQOO3 device, friend. Just now I got the 3 bands. So is the servers, and let me try to select automatically. Let's see what will happen, whether will I get the Jio server or not. So right now I'm getting different kind of servers, friends. I'm not sure why, but still I'm connecting only to the 4G plus only at this point. There is no Wi-Fi connection connected right now, only 4G plus. So I'm getting the speeds up to close to 10 Mbps of speeds. Let me try to show you NetMonster how many bands I'm trying to get right now. I'm trying to get only 2 at this point, but sometimes I did get 3 bands I did see in this phone. The speeds are kind of pretty normal, only not much of 9 Mbps. Now let me try to do the download test. Let's see how much the download speeds can be there. So now let me try to open the application and let me try to download the game. So Hill Climb Racing, which I'll be downloading every time in my room. So this is a 58 MB size game, friends, which should be really very small size. So let's see how much time this game gonna take to download completely. Let me try to keep the stopwatch ready as well. So let's see, is the stopwatch, and which should be kind of ready. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So we can actually see on the top as well the download speeds, how much it will be there. So after close to 7 seconds, we got the symbol as downloading after 7 seconds of time. If you want, you can even minus the 7 seconds later on, but right now the speeds are getting 1.2 Mbps and 1.6 Mbps, as you can see right now. 1.6 and 1.3, not bad. 1.10, as you can see, friends, 1.14. So I'll definitely try to do the side-by-side comparison, friends. In case if you are interested with the iQOO7 device, I can do that video for you all as soon as possible. So normally this kind of game will be taking close to, I think, 30 to 45 minutes. So, sorry, 30 to 45 seconds of time. That is my average time which I used to get indoors testing the download test in this phone. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and for more interesting videos, make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. I'll be back with another plenty of comparison with other smartphones. So make sure to check the links in description, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.